Hi guys, welcome back to Cricut Monday. What I thought we would do today is just take a step back and get really basic. I've had a lot of new people say that they've just bought a Cricut or they've had a Cricut and they've never taken it out of the box. And I started thinking maybe it would be beneficial to some people just to go over Cricut Design Space, just the home screen, and show you a few things you may not be aware of. So I will see you tomorrow for, I'm hoping still that it will be a decorate with me out on the patio near the pool. We'll see. So I already have Design Space loaded here on my computer. Now, if you look up here at the top left corner, way up here at the top where it says Home, there's three little lines down through here. If you click on that you can view your profile right here. Anytime, say you're in something and you want to go home, you can click that and go home. You can also get to your canvas. There's three ways to reach your canvas. This is one, and I'll show you the other two a little later. If you just have a new product, you click New Product Setup. If you need to recalibrate your machine for some reason, there's that. You can update your firmware. It's like the latest updates to Cricut Design Space. Mine does it automatically. This tells you about your account. This, you can subscribe to Cricut Access right here. Then right down here where it says what's new, if you click on that, it will show you everything that's new in this. I have 6.10 version. So it talks about all their new cutting machines. You can learn how they're smarter and faster. Foil transfer tool compatibility goes over that. If you have 6.9, it talks about the kerned fonts. If you don't know what that is, what it is, and there's a video right down here if you want to watch it, but kerned fonts used to be, if you went in, and I'll show you this in a minute, some of Design Space and you wanted to type in happy, you would have to go and take each little letter and hook them together so it would look like it was handwritten. Well, with this, the fonts automatically, when you type it out, looks like it's flowing handwriting. I love that. 6.8 brought us improved security, and then it just keeps going on down through there, okay? So I'm going to hit done right there. And then right up here at the top where you see all this stuff scrolling, you can get 40% off Cricut Essentials if you do click here. Anything, materials, and basically you can just purchase things from Cricut up here. Now if you go right here to My Project, you can go where it says New Project, the circle with the plus, which is usually how I go to the canvas. You can click on that to go to your canvas, or you can go to the right top corner, New Project, and go to your canvas. Or like I said, you can go up here and hit Canvas, okay? And that will put us on our canvas. So there's three ways to get to the canvas. Now say I want to go back to where I was. I can go up to this three little lines out from canvas and click home. And I'm back here already. Okay, so right here under projects, these are all the projects that I have saved on my computer. All the ones that I've saved, okay? And then right down here on this next one is top video playlists. And this will give you a tour of Design Space home screen. This is what I was telling you about kerning if you're interested and you want to learn more. Then this will be like new to Cricut. Watch this. I have found these videos very helpful for me when I was learning my Cricut, and still from time to time I have to go look at something. Then this is showing you how to apply with transfer tape. So I would highly encourage you all to look at these. Then this is just what they're showing, what they have on here now. Then this is the new Cricut mug press. They're showing you all the different mugs that you can make with their new press. These are all the community, people have made these little DIYs with their Cricut, and they've uploaded them for you to do. All you have to do, say you want to do this, thanks for being such a great teacher card. You click on that. It tells you, gives you a description of the project, the person that did it, and what you'll need, the images, and it will tell you the images and fonts that were used, okay? And if you want to edit it, you just hit edit right here in the bottom, or you want to make it, you hit right here, green make it. But I'm going to X out of it, okay? These are all creative cards. If you want to view all of them, you click on that. This is all about weddings, and this is all about iron-on right here, okay? Now, if you go up here to My Projects, if you click on that, it will also take you to all my projects that I have saved, okay? And they're usually, I found, are like 1 to 2 ways to do something. So you can get to my projects this way or a different way if you want, okay? Then once you're in projects, if you want, you can click and you can just look at your saved projects, all categories, ready to make projects, which has everything figured out for you, featured projects that Cricut is showing, the community, Cricut community projects that they have, Cricut Access here, and if you see that little A out by anything, in Design Space, you do have to be a member of Cricut Access, and it is a monthly fee. I can't remember what it is now. Then this will take you to Animals and Wildlife. Anna Griffin has things on here, baby and pregnancy, cards, Christmas, and it just keeps going. Or free for the Cricut Explore Air or the Air 2, okay? Just like I said, it keeps going down through there, okay? If you hear something, my husband's cutting our grass. We've had a break in the rain, and it's so hot and humid that the grass is dry. Okay, so I'm going to go back up here, click my home, and I want to show you some more things. Now, out from my projects, if you look at Explore, this little drop-down area here, if you click on that, all the projects in Cricut Design Space, you need to decide and choose whether you have the Cricut Maker 3, Cricut Explore 3, the Joy, the Maker, or the Cricut Explore family, which is what I clicked on, okay? And you'll see up here it just says Explore. So if I want to go down here and make this garden wedding invitation, when I click on this, this will be everything I need for my Cricut Explore Air 2, okay? So you don't have to worry about that. Now let's go and just let you look about, I think I've shown you everything right on this little home screen basically, okay? So let's go, remember there's 3 ways to do a new project. You can go up here to the 3 lines, go to Canvas and click on that if you want, or you can go circle with the plus for a new project, or you can go to the right top corner, new project. It doesn't matter. So you have 3 ways to get to your canvas. All right. So we were talking about kerning earlier. So I'm going to click on text. And I'm just going to pick Cricut. I want to, if you click up here, and I've told this before, but if you click on all right here, and it turns green, that's everything that's on your computer and your Cricut, and it will give you those fonts. If you click on System, that's just all the fonts that are on your computer. If you click on Cricut, it will give you only the fonts that are on Cricut. You can search for the font you want if you know it, and you see this little check mark. This remains checked, and it says only kerned fonts, okay? So there's a bunch here, and you can use these. Let's just go up here and do Bickley. All right, here's the Bickley script, all right? Used to be, if you had chosen this font when you typed, and let me zoom in a minute, you'll be able to see. If you typed, used to be, if you would type have a Have a wonderful day. It wouldn't be like this, but it is now. You see, let me zoom in. Do you see, let me make this even bigger. Do you see how this looks perfect? Before, what you had to do, which you don't have to do now, if it's kerned, what you had to do was ungroup it and then move each letter over. This just looks beautiful. I love this. Let's go to text again. Okay, say we want to do, let's go to all. Let's see. Say you wanted to do snail round hand. Okay, let's try that. Have a okay. Then you see how it works. So as long as that's checked, you don't have to go. I can see where this would make it makes it so much easier, so much quicker to do these cursive letters. It's unbelievable. So I hope this has helped you. I Like I said, there's so many new people out there, and I've done videos where I went through and explained all this up here, edit and arrange and flip and all that. And I just thought maybe if you just got your machine, you might not even know how to set it up. So I hope you found this useful and helpful. So like I said, I will see you tomorrow, Tuesday. I'm hoping, weather permitting, it will be my pool area, decorate with me, and the back porch, but we'll have to see. If not, we will do something fun. So until next time, bye guys.